ఎంతైతుంది? అరే రాత్రి 10:30 కేంద్ర కొట్లాట. ఇలా ఏం కొట్లాడరా రాజేష్? ఏంద్రా ఏం చూస్తున్నావు కింద? సిపియు ఫుల్ఫామ్ చెప్పరా ఒకసారి. చెప్పినో రై నువ్వు ఎందుకంటే డీ పాస్ అయినా. తిట్టిండ్రా నేను. How is your feeling today? Huh?
What do you want to video camera, man? Yeah, take that one camera, not me.
Okay. I'll go and I'll take.
Hi,
Ramesh. Hi, Ramesh. Where you are going? Hi, Vishnu.
Hi.
How is your
Good
feeling?
morning.
Just now you fight with Manikanta, right?
Yes.
How is your feeling?
You mean my
What do you think? Who won? You or Manikanta? You won the game. Manikanta? Is it Vishnu who won the game? Are you? He's not replying. In the sense, you won the game. Congratulations, Mr. Vishnu. You won the game. Come on, we'll go to with Rajesh. Come on, Rajesh. Tell me why Vishnu is doing like this with you. Is there any angry?
Yes.
You are not aggressive. Why?
You mean that?
Hi Jen.
Hi.
What do you think about?
What?
Yeah.
Coming slowly. Slowly. నేను నిన్నలే వాడుకోవడానికి కూర్చుంటే వస్తుంది అయ్యా ఏమయ్యా
మంచి టైం పాస్.
3 minutes 54 seconds.
Let's see what Manikanta will do. He just miss. You miss it, Manikanta. Try it once again. Yeah. Yeah, I'll give you the space. No problem. Come on, go ahead, Manikanta. You want to do it right today. Come on, Mani.